Do you want to know how to increase your sales in your small business? Stay here with me until the end and I will explain you how to create your own marketing plan for your business. My name is Edgarfxz, Sociedad. If you don't know me, you can follow me now here on YouTube or Instagram TV and subscribe it and active the bell or whatever in Instagram. So let's get started. The first thing that you have to know about the business plan or a marketing plan is that you're going to sell. The sales is the most important part of your business, is the core of your business to create benefits and create every kind of money. You will know that if you do not sell, your company will start a break. And that is why I'm going to explain you some strategies that I have applied in my business. My business, I have a small business here in Mexico. I'm from Mexico. I have a restaurant and a small craft brewery. These businesses have helped me to improve all the strategies, and I want to share with you the strategies that I have used. So, as I mentioned, the core of the business is to create benefits for everyone, for your employees, for you, and for the people that you are going to purchase all the supplies that you need for your business. So what is the marketing plan? Well, as I said you, is that you have to sell everything that you have in your store or in your business or whatever. So we have to define all the strategies that you need in order to sell your products. For example, if you are in a place that you are leasing, that leads traffic, that is a one strategy, even if you do not know about that. And a spectacular advertisement, for example, in the great avenues, on big avenues, you can see many spectaculars, probably in the TV spots, radio spots. All of these are strategies that lead you customers or possible customer, at least user that could visit your store, your business, your local business, or probably your website business. So these are the strategies that you have to define, and you have to define every possibility that you could have in this business. And every business has a different behavior, so it is not the same selling things on a restaurant or selling a medical service or selling this kind of services, marketing services. So this is completely different, and we have to measure different kind of strategies. Another kind of strategies are to generate traffic to your business through digital marketing campaigns. For example, if you want to attract more leads to your business, you need Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads. For example, you have a wide variety of products in Google Ads. For example, you have display and search network, YouTube advertisements, and probably Shopify and other different ideas, and also Google Maps or Waze or every other strategy that has Google. Probably you can do some ads on Twitter, or nowadays that we have TikTok. It is a new platform that has many users and it is gaining a lot of users in the recent months. So it is important for you that you create or to be in all the social media for your business, and it is according to your business. It's not the same selling refrigerators rather than probably medical services or a restaurant. They will have different behavior for each business. So if you have some question about it, you can ask here in the comments and I can explain you with more details. Remember that we are creating some strategies for Google campaigns. You have at least two kinds of strategies: the search network and how to install the cookies on your website. So you can check my videos here in the card, or you can check it here below in the comments. And now you have to evaluate your outcomes, the outcomes of your strategies. This is the most important part, because if you don't measure every strategy, you're going to waste money. So here I have an Excel where you can evaluate all your strategies. For example, in this I have the social media campaign. For this social campaign, you invested $1,000. We're going to talk about American dollars because it's the most common currency here in the world. And we're going to say that you sold 4,000 products, and the price of these products is around $45, with the benefit or the margin of the product is 60%, and the gross profit of this is $180,000. For example, how do you calculate this? You have to multiply the 4,000 products for 45 in the product price, and you have here, and the return, just you have to do this difference between the money you sold and the money that you invested. So you have a difference of 179. And spectacular, for this strategy, you invested $1,200. You sold 6,000 products. The price is the same. The benefit of the product is the same, and the gross profit now is the $360,000, and the return is, you have to do the same. So in this part, you have to evaluate what is the best strategy, or where you're going to invest more money for the next month or the next week, or probably the next month. In these ideas, you can evaluate every single strategy. And how you're going to know more about that this strategy lead me more customers? Well, it is important that when you are selling, you can ask your sellers how did they know about the product or the service that they have purchased. The main reason is that to know how they knew about the product or the service. If they knew more, in this case, people knew more of your product or your service about the spectaculars rather than the social media campaigns. So in this case, probably for the next month, you're going to invest more money on spectaculars and advertisements on the big avenues rather than the social media campaigns. You probably diminish the quantity of the money that you're going to invest, or probably set that quantity. So I hope you enjoyed this video, because it is really important to create a good strategies for your business. And we'll see you in the next, and you can check all the videos that I'm going to upload here in my channel. So subscribe now, comments if you have a business idea or you're going to start. So I'm going to say goodbye.